fillet of beef. That has to be the ultimate indulgence. When you bite into it, it actually melts on your tongue like butter. The flavour is phenomenal.
Mushroom gratin, shallots, garlic.
Crush it like that. Because what it does now, it releases the flavour, but it's not too strong.
Mushrooms.
Chestnuts just cut into quarters. The chestnuts have got that really nice, light, woody texture. The shiitake have got a really nice, heavy, rich flavour. And then you've got this delicate, dainty oyster mushroom that is phenomenal.
Season.
The garlic, that's it, job done. Take the mushrooms out.
Cream. Egg yolk. Chives.
Don't start slicing the thick end. There's no flavour there. The chive flavour is at the end there. Nice oniony flavour. Look, beautiful. That's it. Cooking the fillet steak, got to be a little bit precious with this because it's a delicacy and it's not lined with lots of fat. Colour it, but don't brown it too much, otherwise it goes dry. Touch of salt and pepper in. And look at it. Yes, it's sumptuous. Yes, it's expensive, but boy, is it worth it. That is perfect. Be generous.
Parmesan.
In the oven she goes.
Hot oven, 7 minutes.
Looks like a meal for 6 there, look. Beautiful. Oh my God. That has to be the perfect indulgence. I just want to die and fuck off to heaven with my fillet steak.
Beef fillet with mushroom gratin, done.
Fillets of beef, one of my favourite cuts of all time, packed with flavour.
Salt, pepper, hot pan, olive oil.
Make sure you get a really nice colour on the steaks.
Garlic, rosemary, thyme, bay leaf, chicken stock.
The secret is to keep them nice and moist.
Rest,
Whilst the steak's absorbing the stock, I'm going to make the gremolata.
lemon zest, parsley, capers. Season, mix,
So packed with flavour.
beef, carve. Gremolata. Sauce, olive oil.
That has to be the most perfect way of eating a fillet steak. Fucking delicious.
Pan-roasted fillet of beef with gremolata, done. Beef fillet.
Lean meat with little fine sinews of fat running through. It just melts in your mouth like butter.
Season. Hot pan, olive oil. Seal. Mustard.
Think about it. Fillet of beef Wellington, English mustard. You're not going to put Dijon on there, are you?
Mushrooms. Season. Blitz.
Now, I've got to take the water out of the mushrooms. Look how wet they are. We don't put oil or butter into the pan. We put nothing in there. Look how much water's coming out now.
Assemble. Cling film. Parma ham. Mushrooms. Beef.
Centre. And roll. Twist it nice and tight.
Chill, 20 minutes. Puff pastry.
Beef.
Unwrap.
On to the pastry.
Egg wash.
Don't skimp on the egg wash now because we really need it to stick. Tuck that in.
Chill, 5 minutes. Glaze. Score. Rock salt. Bake.
The most important thing about fillet of beef Wellington, do not slice it thinly, OK? Turn it round and slice it about 1 inch thick.
Beef Wellington. Done.